Hey, welcome back to our Intro to After Effects class. And in this class, we're just going to do keyframing. It's really straightforward and simple. To start off, I already have a comp set up. I already have everything. If you watched the prior class, you saw how I set all this up. It's pretty straightforward and simple. What we're going to do is we're going to parent some stuff, and I'm just going to do some basic keyframes, and that's it. And we'll get out of here. First off, we have a null object in here. And that I can use as a controller for my other objects, or I can just straight up animate anything I want, such as the strawberry or the shape layer. So let's do this. Let's take our strawberry and expand this out a little bit. We're going to start a keyframe over here. All right, I'm going to start there. I'm going to hit position stopwatch. That creates a keyframe right there. And then I'm going to move the strawberry. Oh, actually, I'm going to go to the end of the timeline. So I'm going to hit end. And I'm going to move the strawberry all the way over to here. There we go. Hold down shift so I can get a straight line. There we go. And you'll see that the animation happens. He walks across the screen. All right. Now, what if I wanted that, that circle to follow him? Well, to do that, I can actually just take this circle, bring it over here, and without adding any keyframes, I can just pick whip to the strawberry, and the circle should follow the strawberry along. All right. You can also just open this up and select whatever one you want down there. Since that is that, let's say we wanted to have him go fast and then go back. Let's have him go back this way. And the reason I'm doing that is just so I can show you something really quick called an easy ease. An easy ease, so if I select the keyframe here and I right click and I open up my keyframe assistant, you will have selection for easy ease in to a position and ease out of a position. Easy ease eases in and eases out. So I always use that one. But if I wanted just to have it ease into a position or ease out of a position, I can select that as well. So I'm just select easy ease, and now the icon has changed. And what has happened is, and I'll show you in the graph editor, which is right here. There we go. Okay, so now you see that it's eased into the position and eased out of the position. There we go. In and out. Get rid of my graph editor by turning that off. And so the playback will just slow, faster. So you see what's happening there? Fast to slow, slow to faster. So the position actually increases or decreases its speed to that position depending on the ease. Now, if I get rid of that thing, I believe it's Alt click is what it is. Nope, sorry, Control click gets it back. Control click's the way to get it back to what it originally was. There you go. Silly little animation. And let's delete that, put that little guy all the way back to the end here. And then there we go. Now we have our full animation from left to right. That should pretty much cover keyframes. I mean, you can keyframe pretty much anything you want. You can keyframe scales, rotations, opacity. You can keyframe effects. You can keyframe numbers within effects. There's all sorts of different stuff there. So for now, just enjoy kind of being able to play with keyframes, move shapes around. You know, if I wanted to, I could also create another key shape. Let's do that real quick. And let's have a star rotate here. Boom. We'll just bring that sucker down. I hit V and then I did this one here. And then we'll just rotate this as it spins. Let's do it under transform. Hit rotation, go to end. And then I'm just going to say 3. Just add chaos to our video. There we go. So it basically rotates. Oh, and there's that thing that I was mentioning before. The rotation on the axis is wrong. So we want to fix that. We go here, click that, and go to there. So what I did was I grabbed the pan behind tool and moved the little circular icon, which is our anchor point, to there, little target. And if I hit spacebar now it rotates in the proper location. All right. Oof. And then if you wanted to, and you're wondering, why is that there? You bring that all the way to the back here. There we go. And now, here's a fun one. Let's do this. I'm going to do this as well. It's kind of playing here. I'm going to bring that to there. And I'm going to make it a, let's change the color to like blue. Whoops. It's not going to do that because it's on top. There we go. Boom. There we go. And then if I select this and I link it to the strawberry, and we hit play. Now it's rotating along with the strawberry in this shot. All right, so that should do it for this lesson. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for your time, and talk to you soon. Bye.